NCERT question number 2.20. Two charged conducting sphere of radii A and B are connected to each other by a wire. What is the ratio of electric field at the surface of two spheres? Okay, by using this, explain why charge density on the sharp and pointed end of a conductor higher than on the flatter portion. Okay, so first of all, first condition we are going to find out. When two spheres are connected by a wire having different potentials, why? Because radius are different, having different radii, so in that case charge will flow from higher potential to lower potential always, you know that this, till both acquire common potential V. This we have done कि दो कैपेसिटर को जब हम या कंडक्टर को वायर से कनेक्ट करते हैं तो चार्ज हायर से लोअर की ओर फ्लो करता है, और कब तक फ्लो करता है? जब तक कि दोनों का पोटेंशियल सेम ना हो जाए, एंड बोथ द कैपेसिटर एक्वायर द सेम पोटेंशियल, दोनों कंडक्टर जो हैं वो जब तक सेम पोटेंशियल एक्वायर ना कर लें, तो दैट कॉमन पोटेंशियल इज V. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड आउट Q1 इज इक्वल टू C1 इंटू V, Q2 is equal to C2 into V. Take the ratio, you will be getting C1 upon C2. Now this is the capacitance of the spherical conductor. Derivation we have done all earlier. 4 pi epsilon naught A divide and 4 pi epsilon naught B. This is for the spherical conductor. So when you will substitute, when you will take the ratio of C1 by C2 for this, the C1 by C2 comes out to be what? A by B. C1 by C2 comes out to be A by B, means Q1 upon Q2 comes out to be A by B. Okay, this will be what? This will become A by B. So Q1 upon Q2 A by B also. Okay, now we know that second part of the question, surface charge density, we have to find out. So for the first conductor, sigma 1 is equal to Q1 upon 4 pi A square. For the second, sigma Q2 is equal to 4 pi B square. Take the ratio. You have got Q1 by Q2 B square upon A square. Substitute the value of Q1 Q2 from this condition, Q1 upon Q2 A by B. You have got B by A. Okay. Now you all know very well that for the surface charge, for the any surface charge distribution, electric field is equal to sigma upon epsilon having finite thickness. So E1 upon E2 can be written as sigma 1 upon sigma 2, because epsilon तो दोनों में cancel हो जाएगा. So that is why sigma 1 upon sigma 2 comes out to be what? B by A, because B by A you have got the value of sigma 1 upon sigma 2. Clear? From this condition, what you concluded? You have concluded that sigma is inversely proportional to radius, means surface charge density for any charged conductor is inversely proportional to the radius of the conductor. तो जो भी sharp pointed end होगा उसकी radius क्या होगी? कम, तो वहाँ पे जो surface charge density होगी वो ज़्यादा होगी, और जो flattened portion होगा उसकी radius क्या होगी? ज़्यादा, तो वहाँ पे सरफेस चार्ज डेंसिटी क्या हो जाएगी? कम. सो दैट इज़ वाई शार्प एंड हैज़ हायर सरफेस चार्ज डेंसिटी कंपेयर टू फ्लैट एंड, बिकॉज रेडियस इज लेस, so surface charge density will be more.